How to fix and solve white screen on PhonePe app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you solve white screen issue on the PhonePe app. So if you're facing or if you're seeing a white screen on the PhonePe app, you could try following steps in order to solve your issue. First thing first, check for an update. Sometimes temporary glitch can be fixed with the help of an update. So go to the Play Store and on the search box type in PhonePe, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After updating, you could see whether the issue has been solved or not. If the application is still facing such issue after updating as well, what you could do is you could go ahead and try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go ahead and make sure to long press the application, click the app info icon, and next thing you want to do is click on storage and cache. As you go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. If you're sure about it, go ahead and proceed on and click the OK button. Now likewise, what else you could also do is after which you could also go ahead and make sure to force stop the application for a couple of seconds. Once you do it so, you should be able to fix your issue. However, that's not working out, you could also try checking for a permission. So go to permission on the app info section and check whether you've enabled SMS or not. So here you want to go ahead and make sure to enable the permission for messages and microphone, all of these, and that could be able to fix the issue as well. Now, despite of doing all of these methods, consider uninstalling the application. So go to the Play Store and click the uninstall button, and then restart your device at the same time, and then once again reinstall the application. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. So this is the way you could go and solve white screen on PhonePe. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.